Worshipful Sir, I present to you for installation Brother Yabon, who has been appointed Senior Stewards of Islam.
Brother Yabon, you have been appointed steward of this lodge, and I will now instruct you in duties. In olden times, your province was to superintend and provide for the festivals of the lodge, to assist in the collection of dues and subscription, to keep an account of the expenses for refreshment, and to see that the tables were properly supplied and every brother should be provided for. In modern times, however, the actual provision for refreshment has diminished, and your principal functions will now be to prepare candidates for admission and to perform those duties which Masonic custom has assigned to you on days of procession. Receive the jewel of your office together with the white rod.
Yeah, more to the right. So we can still receipts available. Thank you.
You will now repair to your respective place. Brother Master of Ceremonies, you will present the marshal.
Worshipful Sir, I present to you for installation Brother Baldosa, who has been appointed Marshal of Islam.
Brother Baldoza, you have been appointed Marshal of this lodge, and you will now be invested in jewel and symbol of your office.